Hi everyone, it's Gaylen. I'm here today representing Unity Stamp Company. I'm one of their design team members, and I'm showing a sweet Halloween project that you can do very quickly. It's just making small tags to put on your treat bags or candies for Halloween. And I'm using this sweet Unity Stamp Company kit called Little Boos. And it has these sweet Halloween icons. You could stamp them all the same on a piece of paper or just mix them up. And I decided to mix them up. Just use one of each or several of them. And I chose to use a little bag of nuts. And I also use 2 circle punches. And I use a hole punch that's called a crocodile. I'm going to use some twine and various Copic markers, which will be eventually listed on my blog. And I start with this sweet little witch. It's a sweet image, a witch on a broom with the moon in the background. I just lightly colored her in with Copics. And all of these will be lightly colored. Actually, it didn't take any time at all, really, to color them. Just make sure your ink for your stamps and for your stamping is compatible with the markers you're using. So if you're using Copics, make sure that the ink is Copic friendly. And other markers might have different requirements for ink for stamping. So I'm outlining the boo lightly, the sentiment. This kit comes with a couple of sentiments, which is cute. It can make cards, you can make gift tags, all kinds of projects. And they're small too. I like every now and then to have small stamps to do these kinds of projects with. So for the Happy Halloween, I'm just using dots of Copics. I'm just using lots of yellow dots. I'll come in with a light green set of dots, just dabbing them just to make a highlighted sentiment there. It's got a cute little mummy. I'm using gray and yellow and a light tan for it. I also started to outline all of these sentiments and images that are stamped with a tan color. Actually, I just picked the tan color because I wanted it to sort of match the treat bag packaging. It has like a craft color with a lime green, so I used those colors on the background frame for the circles and in the coloring of the images. That's just what I chose to do. You can obviously use whatever you like. For the skeleton, I just outlined him in green. Just not much coloring at all. Now I'm using a paper punch, a circle paper punch for the witch, and for the background I'm using a 1 3/4 inch circle punch, and for the smaller stamped images I'm using a 1 3/8 inch punch. The witch is a larger image, so I didn't add a frame to that one. I just added a flat double-sided adhesive to the image side and added it to circle in craft color. I'm using a crocodile to just punch a small hole that will twine will go through in each of the circles. I'm also going to use that same crocodile to make 2 holes in the sealed part of the treat bag, just so that I could tie string through the 2 holes and tie one of the tags to each one of the treat bags. Just it makes a sweet little decoration. Just an added little decoration. It's great for a classroom or for the trick-or-treaters. I don't get very many anymore, but it's nice to have something sweet and extra special for them. I hope you like this, and I hope you follow my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye.